Hello, best friends. Hello. I am here with a car mukbang, and it's soul food. It is soul food. So do your best friend a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and click on all, so you will be notified of all videos that have been posted to YouTube. Best friends, we about to get started. I am hungry. Let's get started. I'm gonna be talking to some of my friends, some of my best friends on Facebook. So if you hear me just talking randomly, that's what I'm doing, okay? Oh my goodness, I'm about to give you guys a look at the food in a minute. Give me a minute. Let's see. So what I have here, this is what I have. Soul food, got the real tips, the greens, and macaroni and cheese. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what I have. Yes. Hello, best friends. Hello. Got some soul food here. Oh my goodness. I got the greens, macaroni and cheese, and rib tips. Alright, so I am in the car. I don't know how I'm gonna position this. That's a little difficult. Let's see. Oh, see, caught myself. I'm gonna go ahead and say my grace before I eat. Please, God, bless over this food as I eat. Can you please let this food be nutritious and healthy to my body? I am thankful, grateful for this food you have given us today. In the name of Jesus, we pray. Amen. Ooh. I love these rib tips. I'm trying to get one. I love these rib tips. Love these rib tips. They're so soft. Ooh. Hello, best friends. So delicious. Hello, best friends. Hello, love. Hello, Taylor. Hello, Precious. Hello to all my best friends that's tuning in. Oh, me. Who like their greens mixed with their macaroni and cheese? I do. Ooh. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all my best friends. What y'all doing on this New Year day? How you say it? I remember last year like it was yesterday. Is it? That's how you say it? I hope I'm saying it right. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try some of this macaroni and cheese. Oh. See, I'm just like really okay. Your best friend is greedy. She's greedy. I stopped at 2 restaurants. Yeah, I did. I got me a chicken shawarma as well. But what I don't eat I'm gonna save it for later. So it ain't going to waste. Hello, best friends. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. Let me give y'all a look at these greens though. Hope that can zoom in pretty good. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Hello, you guys can talk to me. I'm here. I'm here. I was on live earlier, well, about like an hour ago, and I asked my best friends what did they want to see me eat, and they said soul food, so we are here. This hair gotta go. This hair gotta go. So, did y'all see the greens and the macaroni and cheese? I don't know if you can see it. Let me give you a good look at the macaroni and cheese. And it's cheesy too. Ooh. That is cheesy. Macaroni and cheese. I like my macaroni and my greens together. Tastes good like that. Hello, best friends. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate every last one of you guys. This is so good. How's everybody New Year going? How's everybody New Year going? Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna wave at every last one of you guys. Hello, best friends. Oh my goodness. It is so sunny out right now. But yet cold, okay? Sunny and cold. Michigan be punk faking. Hello, best friends. I'm eating soul food here. Greens, macaroni and cheese, and rib tips. It's good. I got a chicken shawarma as well. I'm gonna eat some of that too. This is so good. Yes, it is. Okay, so the rib tips is tender and it's good, but at the roof of my gums at the top, kind of hurt. But I'm winging it. I'm winging it. I don't know why it looks so, I don't know. Okay, the sun coming back out. Hello. Hello, best friends. I'm thinking about doing videos on, going live on weekends. Hello. Oh, I got it. Hi, Nikki. Hi, Fanny. If I'm saying it right, Natricia. Hello, best friends. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh my goodness. So I'm having greens, macaroni and cheese, and rib tips. That's so good. All right, so I done ate all the greens up. So I'm gonna eat one more rib tip. Then I'm gonna go to my chicken shawarma. Let's see. I don't want a big piece. Oh, I'm popping sauce everywhere. Hold on. Oh, all right. All right. Okay. That is so good. If you haven't joined the channel already, Best Friend Eats, go ahead and do so. Okay, I was greedy. I bit some of it before the camera got cut on. Chicken shawarma be so good. That was good, y'all. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. You see that pickle? Hold on. They be lighting this thing up with a pickle. Yes, it be good. And I also get that like the I also get like extra garlic paste. Hold on. Oh. Yes. And then you take it. But it's already got some in there. Take it and you dip. Yes. So good. Oh, they got onions, raw onions all through this. Who else like the raw onions? No, I'm not full. Not at all. Best friend not full. I only had about a few rib tips and some macaroni, a little macaroni and cheese and some greens. That's all. Ooh, I'm hungry, to be honest. I'm really hungry. It's so good. I appreciate every last one of you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Oh my goodness. When I said onions, honey, they put onions all up and through it. Like, for real. Thank you. It is good. That is good. Have y'all ever had chicken shawarma? Oh my God, this pickle right here is my favorite. I went to go buy a little container of their pickles. They be like real thin sliced. Yes, so good. No, it's so good. I mean, it's like a go-to place. I did a video on this, though. I did a video on YouTube of the chicken shawarmas sitting in the restaurant. It is good. It is good, best friend. I don't need to add nothing else in this. No. I don't need to. Get everything that it needs. Pickle and onion and garlic paste. Oh yeah, we doing it. Hold on. I'm about to lose the onion. I didn't know how I was gonna do this car mukbang. So good. Y'all go make sure y'all subscribe. How y'all New Year's going? What did y'all eat? Oh. Hey, bird. I'm just eating that chicken shawarma. That's it. And some soul food. Oh. Yeah, I had I got my Christmas gift, my nice luxurious suitcase. Luggage bag. Making gumbo. That sounds good right there. Because I'm in the car, you asked me why I didn't get comfortable. I decided to, while I'm out, just go ahead and eat for a minute. That's good. Okay. I done tore it up. Ooh. You making pinto beans, roast, cabbage, cornbread. That sounds real good for a cold day like this. I'm gonna let that sun fool you. Oh my goodness. Hello, best friends. Ooh. Now, oh yeah, I'm full. Best friend full. Oh, yeah, I feel it now. Oh, look at my hand. Let me get a napkin. How y'all? Ooh. How y'all New Year's going so far? Is it going positive? Oh my God! I still got some of my soul food left. I'm going to eat this. Probably a little later on tonight. But I'm full off the chicken shawarma and a little bit of soul food. Yeah. But if you haven't already, please go and subscribe to my channel, Best Friend Eats. I love each and every last one of you guys. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Okay. All right, best friend. Thanks for tuning in and having a whole conversation with me. I appreciate that. All right. Love you. Sky's the limit. Bye.
Cause my best friend finna, she finna, oh, go best friend, that's my best friend.